Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google search not working on your Android or Samsung phone. First, you'll need to go into Play Store and you're going to search for Google. After you have selected Google, you're going to tap right there and you want to check if your Google app needs updating. If it does need updating, you'll tap on Update. Once you have updated Google, you're going to close out of Play Store and you're going to tap on Settings. In Settings, you're going to scroll down and select Apps. Then you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to type in Google. Then you'll select Google. And from here, you're going to select Force Stop in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Storage. After you have selected Storage, you're going to tap on Manage Storage in the bottom left hand corner. Then you want to select Clear All Data. And after you have done that, you would now be able to use Google search as normal. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.